Hey everybody, how's it going? This is Dan from Dan Wentworth's video reviews at gworth.xyz. I'm inside the members area of Dealx Mega Bundle Software Mass end of the year sale. I will show you what this is all about inside of this video. In a nutshell, this product is going to show you how to build or grow an agency business. If you are interested in this product, stay tuned because I'm going to dive in and give you a detailed review. And also, don't forget to check out my bonuses, which you can see by clicking on the link down below in the description of this YouTube video. When you click on the link, it's going to bring you to this page right here, which is my bonus page for Dealx Mega Bundle. So click on the link down below and go and check out my bonuses. Right here I'm showing you what my bonus page looks like. Let me just scroll down to where I need to be. Scrolling down. Here it is. I will give you all of the following bonuses when you purchase Dealx via my link, which is below this video inside of the description. Bonus 1 is your content marketing guide to making more money with less effort. Effective content marketing. You're going to get bonus number 2, which is Google Display Network hacks. Learn how to drastically increase your traffic. You're also going to get bonus number 3, which is how to write compelling headlines. You're going to get bonus number 4, which is access to the Fuego multiplier, and you will get even more bonuses. This is going to be available for the first 12 hours only. You're also going to get bonus number 5, which is the access to the lost code to learn how to sell higher tickets or higher ticket items on the internet. And I've added bonus number 6 to spoil you, which is access to all of the product training videos that are in this bundle. Now I'm going to send you over to the place where you can learn more about Dealx Software Mass Bundle. Let me show you what you'll be getting in the Software Mass end of year special deal. The exclusive bundle deal gives you a funnel, access to 6 solution-driven and world-class agency apps. 6 are included in here. Normal price is $1997 per month. Today you only pay a low one-time fee. Marketing Blocks is the first of the deals. Breakthrough AI-powered app that automatically creates an online ready-to-profit business using just a keyword in less than 45 seconds. Amazing. This is what's included with all the upsells. You get them included. You don't pay extra. Copy Blocks bundle deal. Let the new Tesla bot write all the marketing copy for you and your clients using just a keyword. Create and sell content for social media ads without writing a single word yourself. Those are the upsells that are included. Number 3, video tours, a 360 deal. I've got this software and I'm amazed at how good it works. It works very well. The upsells for that ADA bundle, that's for people that for your websites. Unless you make this change to your website immediately, you could be sued, even extorted for thousands of dollars very soon. This helps protect you against the ADA law. There's the upsells client finder deal. That's number 5, the penultimate software. in the deal. Get access to the most advanced lead gen tech powered by AI, natural language processing and machine learning. You get clients easily if you use this software. There's the Upsells. Right, VidJack deal, that's the last one in the series. Add unlimited interactive elements inside any even trending YouTube or Vimeo video to drive a massive traffic conversions and sales. These are the upsells. Kickstart your own full-blown agency business. There's provision made for three split payments or a one-time payment. This is how you maximize your profits. Number one, use your business to fire up your sales and profits in 22 and beyond. Number two, kickstart your own agency service business using these apps and charge clients top dollar for your services. Number three, do a mix of both. Can't make up your mind? Well, let's go through here quickly. This is what you get instant access to. Commercial and agency license, SFO. Bi-weekly training, Skype mentorship. That's worth a lot. It's like using other people's time. One-on-one live Zoom coaching and consultation calls. SFO webinar replay vault. Zero to Profits agency accelerated training. Marketing Blocks Academy, Copy Blocks Academy, Video Tour 360 Academy, Client Finder Academy, ADA Bundle Academy, and VidJack Academy. Local Business Graphics Pack, Community Management Course, Cold Outreach, Ninja Play, Gmail Ads Course, Free Tool to Find Trending Questions in Your Niche, Quora Hacking, Deep Dive Messenger Closing Hack. And yeah, you'll get instant access to 100 plus graphics design bundle, 1.2 million local businesses database, exclusive access to our drop service assets, plug and play GIF creator, done for you professional animated agency sales video specially created to sell digital services. How to get good customer reviews and testimonials to build trust as a startup agency. Cold calling resource vault, DFY, done for you webinar funnel, done for you prospecting kit for review profits agency, done for your professional animated agency sales video specially created to sell review services, done for your professional agency website. You get a website specially designed to sell review services. Cold Outreach, Ninja Play, Deep Dive Messenger Closing Hack, and lots more. Here's a recap of everything you're getting today. Marketing Blocks Commercial, Marketing Blocks Unlimited, Marketing Blocks Consultancy, Marketing Blocks Authority Builder, Marketing Blocks Review Profits, Copy Blocks Commercial, Copy Blocks Unlimited, Copy Blocks Professional, Copy Blocks Agency, and Copywriting Consultant Toolkit. Digital Marketing Agency Success Package, Video Tour 360 Commercial, Professional, and Agency Toolkit. ADA Bundle Commercial, Pro Unlimited, Agency and Consultant Kit, Client Finder Commercial, Client Finder Pro Unlimited, Outreacher, and then VidJack Commercial, VidJack Pro Unlimited, VidJack Agency and Consultant Toolkit, high-speed software services managed by the vendor, top-notch dedicated development team, updates and upgrades included, and there are many bonuses as well. There's a no risk 30-day money back guarantee. Kickstart your own full-blown agency business now. Get full funnel access to 6 hot selling solution driven agency apps for a small one-time investment. There's no monthly fees. I think this is a good deal, because it's the product, all the products are high end. I recommend getting into it as soon as possible. And I'd just like to wrap up by saying to you, let me just want to remind you not to forget to check out my bonuses again. These are all my bonuses. They're completely free of charge. Thank you for watching my Dealx bundle review. See you on the next one. Take care.